Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to change phone ringtone on Google phone. Friends, you want to change ringtone on your Google phone, so how to change ringtone today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friend, first we will on my phone setting. So guys, after on phone setting, you can see this type of interface. So how to change ringtone on Google phone. So friends, click on guys your Google phone guys, sound and vibration. Tap here guys. After on guys sound and vibration friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, you can increase your media volume, call volume, ringtone volume, notification volume, and alarm volume. You want to increase right side guys, your volume will increase, left side will decrease guys. So friends, scroll it. First friends, we will click on guys ringtone setting guys. So ringtone setting guys, we will click, and after click on ringtone guys, you can see there are guys many ringtone, which ringtone sound guys you like guys. First guys select. So I will select this classical, and guys I will select this air ringtone. Tap here and guys save option. So friends, you can see ringtone will change into air ringtone, and guys you can increase and decrease this volume. So like that guy, we can change ringtone on Google phone device. And friends, you can change ringtone direct also. So how to change ringtone? Friends, click on your phone search bar option guys, search here guys ringtone setting. Friends, we'll search ringtone guys, tap here direct guys, your ringtone page will on, and then tap here which ringtone sound guys you like guys, select any sound, and friends which ringtone you like guys, tap here and save option. Friends, you can see ringtone will change into dots ringtone, and I can increase and decrease this volume from here. So like that guy, we can change ringtone on our Google phone device. So that's it again. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to change ringtone on Google phone. So bye bye guys. We will meet in the next video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your Google phone setting? You can ask me comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye guys.